You open your book, but your mind is not there. Your heart is beating fast, your thoughts feel heavy, and one sentence keeps repeating again and again, I am not ready for exams. But listen carefully. Right now, panic is not your real problem. Panic is only making a small situation feel much bigger than it actually is. And in the next few minutes, I will show you how to stay calm before exams, even if you feel underprepared. But first, be honest with yourself for a second. Do you feel more pressure from the exams themselves, or from the fear of what will happen if you fail? Think about it properly. Many students feel this, but they never say it out loud. Now let us fix your mind step by step. First, understand this truth. Feeling underprepared does not automatically mean failure. It only means your mind is overloaded with fear, not with clarity. When fear increases, focus decreases. And when focus decreases, even simple things become difficult to remember. So step 1 is very important. Stop trying to cover everything at the last moment. Your brain cannot properly absorb full new topics in panic mode. Instead, choose only the most important and repeated topics. Focus on what is most likely to come in the exam, not everything in the book. This is how smart students reduce pressure and improve performance. Now step 2. Use a simple reset technique. Sit straight, relax your shoulders, and close your eyes for 10 seconds. Take a slow breath in for 4 seconds, hold it for 4 seconds, and then breathe out slowly for 6 seconds. Repeat this at least 5 times. This helps your body move out of panic mode and into calm mode. When your body is calm, your mind starts to work again. Now step 3. Take a paper and write down every worry in your mind. Do not keep it inside your head. Write everything clearly, even if it sounds small or silly. When thoughts move from your mind to paper, they lose their pressure. Your brain feels lighter and more controlled. Now step 4. Start studying in very small steps. Do not tell yourself that you will complete everything today. Instead, say that you will study only one topic for 20 minutes. After that, take a short break and repeat. Small goals reduce stress and help your brain stay active instead of overwhelmed. Now listen carefully. Most students do not fail because they know nothing. They struggle because they lose control of their mind before the exam even starts. And here is something very important. Even if you are underprepared, a calm mind can still perform better than a fully prepared but stressed mind. Calmness improves memory, thinking speed, and decision-making during the exam. Now I want you to do something. In the comments, write one word. Write calm if you feel you can control your mind before exams. Or write stress if exams still control your thoughts. I want to see how many students are actually going through this silently. And remember this last line. Exams do not only test knowledge, they also test your mindset under pressure. If your mind stays calm, your performance automatically becomes better. So today, do not aim for perfection. Aim for control, and calmness will follow.